Okay, so in this video, we're gonna test ride this 2005 KX250 that I just finished up. And the footage is really crappy. I had my GoPro on and my kids got a hold of it and they changed all the settings and I didn't realize. So it's very shaky and it's not smooth and all that good stuff. But anyway, here it goes. Okay, so that was some crappy footage. Also, I didn't have my gear on and, I'm in the suburbs and I'm ripping this thing around in the neighborhood. So, I just kind of took it easy. But anyway, what I want to do is just talk about my first impressions and how this thing delivers power, okay? Because we did a lot of different things here to try to make it a woods or trail machine, okay? And the previous owner did a lot of things to go that route, and I just wanted to continue that. So anyway, right off the bat, this thing boils the tire in first and second gear, okay? And I didn't want to do too much of that because this is a brand new tire and this thing's pretty soft and it's getting chewed up and I don't want to wear out the tire on the street. That's stupid, right? So anyway, normally, I'm used to a bike getting traction and the wheel comes off the ground, right? But in this thing, it just lights up the tire in first and second, okay? Another thing I noticed that this bike almost has no hit, no two-stroke hit. So what I mean by that is like from idle to wide open throttle, it is just very smooth and linear. There's no like, and it just gets crazy on you. That can be a bad thing because my 01 has a pretty hard hit in the mid to top. And it's noticeable and it could screw up your riding if you don't know how to manage that power, right? So with this thing, it is just so linear. The power band is very broad. It has a lot of low end power and it's just very smooth. The power delivery is very smooth. So everything that was done here really smoothed that out. So let's begin. You got the gnarly pipe. So that's a low end pipe. We did the low to mid porting from Ken O'Connor. Okay. What else? We got the flywheel weight, so that helps. The Recluse clutch is interesting. You can go really slow and it won't stall because it's an auto clutch. So all those things helped it gain power in the low to mid, and that's why it behaves the way it is, right? Something else I can do is I set up the ignition timing for stock. I think I can advance it for low gains, and I can retard it for upper gains. I think I have that correct. So I can play around with that. Also, I did jet it down from stock, so I think I went one leaner on the pilot, moved the needle clip up, so I dropped the needle one, and I lowered the main by one. As a starting point, and I know that it's still a little rich, okay? And I would need a bunch of jets and an open field for a day to kind of tune it up and do some spark plug chops and whatnot, but it is spooging a little, and I can start the bike up and immediately turn the choke off, so I know it's a little fat, okay? It's running a little rich. So leaning it out a little bit will make it even more crisp and snappier, so there's a little work to do there, and that's it. So overall, it's smooth, man. It is smooth in the power delivery. This will make an excellent woods and trail bike for sure, because it's just nice. And then with the Recluse clutch, I think it's going to be pretty fun and tight stuff. Okay, so that's it for this video. I just wanted to give a couple quick impressions on that quick, crappy test drive.